Welcome back! Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make potatoes inari sushi. Hope you like it. Inari. Inari sushi is a type of Japanese-style sushi made with sweetened oil, tofu skin wrapped in sake, and with a sweet taste, easy to prepare, and no raw fish. This is the original version of earth and mud tofu skin sushi, and I'm happy to write to my friends who want to eat it easily. Ingredients: sushi pockets, eggs harsh brown, corn kernels, crab sticks. Here you go. The secret recipe for this lazy recipe is to use harsh brown to make mashed potatoes for ingredients. Sushi pocket bean curd skin can be bought from grocery store. It's convenient. Cover baking plate with aluminium foil. Drizzle cooking oil to prevent from sticking. Place harsh brown on aluminium foil. Let's bake harsh brown. 200 degrees, 10 minutes. Harsh brown smells so good. Carefully remove harsh brown from baking plate. Mash harsh brown thoroughly. It's so convenient to use frozen harsh brown to make mashed potatoes. It tastes so good as it has been well seasoning. The crispy baked harsh brown have potato grains in them, which makes them taste even more delicious. Crabstick remove packaging and set aside. Crabsticks are a type of imitation crab meat made from surimi, which is sweet and has a light crab flavor. It has a soft and delicate texture and is often used in dishes such as sushi, salads, or hot pot. Let's make hard-boiled egg. You can also boil or steam the eggs. Hard-boiled egg, remove eggshell. I wonder if you have ever found it difficult to peel eggs. Later, I found that if I soaked the boiled eggs in cold water, smashed them with a spoon, and then dug inwards like I did, I could easily remove the shell. This is my egg peeling experience due to preparing eggs for my puppy every day. Does anyone have their own secret recipe for peeling eggs? Mash egg thoroughly with fox. Pour mashed potatoes and egg into big bowl. Add your favorite salad dressing or mayonnaise. Mix evenly. This is how bean curd sushi pocket looks like. Let's make sushi. Carefully open sushi pocket. Place mashed potatoes into pocket. Gently flatten the surface. Place corn kernels on top. First corn kernel potatoes inari sushi is done. Repeat the same steps. Let's make inari sushi with crabstick. Place corn kernel on top, then place crabstick in the middle. Eat whatever you like. The most important thing is to enjoy it, right? This sushi is delicious and filling. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. The tofu skin sushi has a moderate sweet and salty taste. The tofu skin is seasoned with a hint of soy sauce and sugar. The combination of mashed potatoes and bean curd skin has a rich taste. The softness of the tofu skin and the softness of the mashed potatoes make it very smooth to eat. The overall flavor is mild and suitable for people who don't like raw fish or heavy flavors. Although tofu skin is fried, it has a relatively low fat content, especially when it is made with high-quality oil. Tofu skin is rich in soy protein and is suitable for vegetarians or people who need to supplement plant protein. Both vinegar rice and tofu skin are relatively soft and easy to digest, suitable for people with weak stomachs. It does not contain animal ingredients and has a low cholesterol content, suitable for people who need to control cholesterol. Tofu skin is usually cooked with soy sauce, sugar, and mirin, and may contain high sugar and salt, so it should be consumed in moderation. Fried tofu skin and vinegar rice are high in calories, especially the sugar in vinegar rice. Excessive consumption may lead to excessive calorie intake. Traditional tofu skin sushi is mainly based on vinegar rice and tofu skin, lacking vegetables and protein. It is recommended to add other ingredients such as vegetables, eggs, etc., to increase nutritional balance. How to enjoy it more healthily? Choose low sugar, low salt tofu skin, or make your own seasoned tofu skin. Add diced vegetables, sesame seeds, etc. to vinegar rice to increase fiber and nutrition. Control the amount of consumption and pair it with other dishes rich in protein and vegetables. In general, tofu skin sushi is healthy if consumed in moderation, but attention should be paid to sugar and salt intake and nutritional balance. Making sushi yourself allows you to adjust the ingredients and seasoning according to your personal taste, which is more flexible and healthy. In addition, homemade sushi is low cost and you can enjoy the fun of hands-on, which is suitable for family gatherings or daily meals. The crab sticks are delicious, with a light marine flavor and sweetness, and have a delicate texture similar to crab meat. The corn kernels are sweet, with a natural grain aroma, and have a full and juicy taste, which is very memorable. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.